Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I bring you another amazing recipe for your hair growth. I bring you another amazing herb recipe that will grow out your hair fuller and longer. This recipe will double your hair. This recipe will make your hair thicker. If this sounds like something you'll be interested in, please consider watching this video to the end. Subscribe and like. Comment for more videos to come. For as high as heaven above the earth, so great is his love for those who fear him. Psalm 103 verses 11. Our first ingredient for this recipe is thyme. I am making use of the dry thyme. If you have the fresh one, feel free to make use of it. We all know thyme as a spice for making stews and other foods, but you don't know that thyme is equally beneficial to your hair growth. Thyme promotes hair growth by circulating blood and preventing scalp infection that might hinder hair growth. Another ingredient we'll be using is fenugreek, my all-time favorite Ayurveda herb. Fenugreek contains protein, nicotinic acid that stimulates hair growth, prevent dandruff, and improve hair texture. Please note, I do not have a specific measurement for this recipe. As the spirit leads, I eyeballed everything. So our next Ayurveda herb will be cloves. Cloves is also one of my favorite herbs to use. Cloves has proven itself, not only myself but to other DIY lovers just like myself. Clove has been amazing. Clove contain a compound called eugenol that helps stimulate blood flow, reduces dandruff and itchiness, strengthens the hair, and promotes scalp health. As usual, I went in with hot water. I will let this sit overnight, just like I always do. But if you want to use it immediately, you can consider the option of boiling it. But for me, I will always prefer to infuse this overnight just to retain all the benefits. You know, when you boil your herbs, sometimes it is believed that you have killed some of the nutrients inside the herb. So I like to infuse mine. This is what our herb looks like after the following day. So this is the following day. The herb has infused for 12 hours. So I'm just going to shake this up so everything will properly mix before I sieve it. If you infuse yours and it is not this dark, consider leaving it longer, okay? So I am going to sieve it into our spray bottle directly with a sieve. You have to sieve this very well because the thyme is a little bit tinier than rosemary. I have to sieve it 2 times because I noticed there were still some particles inside our spray and we do not want it to get into our hair, so we need to redo this thing. But this time around I'll be using a cheesecloth to sieve it again. So I'm going to do that again, then I will show you the particles that came out. The particles you saw inside the spray bottle the first time I sieved it. That is why I decided to use a cheesecloth, because I first used a sieve with bigger opening. Just look at what would have gotten into our hair, and this thing will be impossible to come off. So it is very important you sieve this thing well before using it. So now I am going to transfer it back into our spray bottle so we can start spraying it to our hair. Store this in your refrigerator for 7 days. You can equally store the remnants if you're not going to use it, but after 7 days, throw it away. If you do not have a refrigerator, this can stay at least 4 days before it goes bad. So after 4 days, you discard it and make another one. So now we are about to spray into our hair. First, I will show you what the hair looks like. Look at the hair. It is dry and it needs some moisture. This is what the herbs is here to do for us. So now let's start spraying this into our hair. You can use this for both scalp and the length of your hair. I started by spraying this mixture into the scalp. You all know that that is where our hair grows out from, so you need to put in some moisture in there. So I sprayed everywhere on my scalp before I started to work on the strands of my hair. I unraveled each section of my hair and worked on it. I wet my hair with this spray, go in with a leave-in conditioner and seal it with butter. So that is what I did in each section of my hair. If you've watched to this point and you haven't subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash the subscribe button right now, comment and like this video. Okay, let's learn more about the herbs used in this recipe. Our first herb is thyme. Thyme increases blood flow to the scalp while helping the hair follicles receive nutrients and start growing. It treats alopecia. Thyme is a natural anti-inflammatory that suits scalp irritation. Thyme contains antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory property that help improve the scalp health. Thyme is rich in potassium and magnesium, which helps moisturize the hair. Our next herb is fenugreek. Fenugreek contains nutrients such as protein, vitamin, and iron that helps promote hair growth. It reduces hair fall, prevents premature growing, strengthens the hair, excellent for fighting dandruff and itchy scalp. It also adds shine to hair. The last herb we used in this recipe is clove. Cloves contain antioxidants like vitamin C and beta carotene, which can help prevent hair loss and premature graying. The eugenol and the other antioxidant properties found in clove can improve blood circulation and promote hair growth. Clove can strengthen the hair follicle, reduces hair fall, promote thicker and healthier hair. Clove water can maintain clean and healthy scalp, preventing it from bacteria and fungi that can hinder hair growth. This is one super hair growth recipe you do not want to miss out. If you can be consistent with this, use this 3 times a week to moisturize your hair. You're going to see a great difference in your hair thickness and in length. I want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so so much. If there is any video you like to see up in the channel, please do not hesitate to let me know. Okay, I really appreciate your comment, your contribution to the growth of this channel. You guys, I can't do without you guys. So keep on supporting me, okay? And I will keep on providing any video to the best of my knowledge for you guys. Okay, thank you and keep watching.